All right, now we're going to solve the second problem on the front of the arc length and sector area worksheet. This one is going to be finding the area of a sector. And I gave you a clue in the last video that it's going to look a lot like the process we used to find the length of an arc. So let's go back. So once again, take a look at this and see how much of this you can apply to this problem. You can also think about the formulas on the top of the page. So pause the video and give it a shot. Well, let's copy down what we know. We know that the radius in this circle is equal to 6. And if we want to find the area of the sector, we should probably think about finding the area of the entire circle. So the area formula, we need to know the radius, which is great because we do. So the area of the circle is equal to pi times 6 squared, and 6 squared is equal to 36. Oh, 36 pi. Let me not forget to bring the pi along with that. All right, so now I know the area of the entire circle. How does that help me to find the area of just this small part of it? Well, this small part is a part of the whole circle. What fraction of the entire circle is this part? And if you need a hint, think that we solved the same problem over here when we found that this part of the circle was 1/3 of the entire circle. So look at the work we did over here and see how we calculated that. Over here, we divided 120 by the full circle, which had 360 degrees. So in this case, 45 divided by 360 degrees. And one of the things we talked about in the radian measure activity was that it was kind of cool. One of the nice things about using 360 degrees to talk about the size of a circle is that lots and lots of numbers evenly divide into 360. For instance, if you grabbed your calculator, you could see that 360 divided by 45 is 8. So this wedge is 1/8 of the entire circle. So how does that help us to calculate the area of the sector? I call this a segment. That is incorrect. This is a sector. A segment is something different. All right, so the sector area, since this is 1/8 of the entire circle, it's got 1/8 of the area. So it's 1/8 times 36 pi. Which is equal to 36 over 8 times pi. And we can simplify this a little bit. So 8 doesn't go evenly into 36, but 4 goes into both of them. So 4 goes into 8 2 times, and 4 goes into 36 9 times. So we could write that as 9 pi over 2, or 4.5 times pi. All right. And so that is how you can calculate the area of a sector. So now that we've got these two problems, in the next video, I'm going to give you some short instructions on the back of the page and how to carry on with the rest of the assignment that I would like you to do for today.